How to fix Windows 11 screen blinking or flickering problem. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to fix screen of Windows 11 blinking or flickering issue. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, you need to update the display driver. Right click on the Start button, select Device Manager. Expand the Display Adapter section. Double click or you can even click on the arrow beside it. Right click on the display adapter and then choose Update Driver. Now click on Search automatically for drivers to allow Windows find and install any update drivers. Method 3 or the 2. You can easily update display drivers. Again, you can easily right click on the Start button and then select Device Manager again. You need to again expand the display adapters and now right click on this adapter. Select Update Drivers. Now you need to choose Browse My Computer for drivers. And now you need to choose Let me preview from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here you will see the appropriate model and select that. Then you need to click on the Next button and follow on-screen prompts. With that, you will successfully fix Windows 11 screen flickering and blinking problem. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.